If you're considering new flooring, you've probably noticed all the different options that are out there. And you're probably asking yourself, what is the best option for my space? And how do I avoid costly mistakes? In this video, I'll give you a clear, honest review of what you need to know before you make that decision. Hi, I'm Sean, owner of Floor Concepts. For more than 40 years, we've helped homeowners navigate the biggest investment they'll make in their homes, new flooring. And we've learned the process feels a lot easier when you actually know what to expect. We created this video to answer the top 5 questions that we get every single day. Because the more informed you are, the smoother the entire process tends to be. One of the first questions we get is, how much is all this going to cost? And that's a fair question. My goal here is to explain exactly what impacts the cost of flooring projects, so you're never guessing or surprised. The biggest factor in the total cost is the type of flooring you select. And that's because different materials vary in durability, construction, lifespan, and installation requirements. Flooring prices vary widely because every home, every product, and every installation is different. Based on our price guide, luxury vinyl can range from $1.79 to $8.99 a square foot. Carpet also has a big range from 77 cents a square foot to $23 a square foot. Hardwood can range from $4 to $30 a square foot. Tiles can range from $2 to $100 a square foot. And finally, hardwood floor refinishing from $5 to $7 a square foot. Installation complexity is another component. The first major cost driver is how complex the installation is. For more time, more skills, more preparation means more labor hours. Common factors include removing existing floors, subfloor preparation, leveling, stairs, and transitions. At Floor Concepts, we include critical steps like subfloor preparation, moisture testing, and proper acclimation, and help you feel confident along the way. Here's what our flooring installation process looks like from start to finish, and what you can realistically expect while the work is happening in your home. Before installation day, you choose your materials. We take care of everything from ordering, scheduling, and coordinating delivery. We handle it all. On installation day, our team arrives on schedule. We protect your furniture, walls, corners, and entryways, and start to remove the existing flooring. From there, we prepare the subfloor, any leveling or patching and cleaning. Once prep is complete, installation begins. Typical timelines look like this. So LVP 1 to 2 days, hardwood 2 to 4 days, tile 3 to 5 days, carpet 1 to 2 days, depending on the size and complexity. In most cases, you can remain in your home during installation, but we'll clearly communicate which areas are inaccessible each day during installation, so you can plan accordingly. Some homeowners choose to stay elsewhere for a portion of the work, especially during hardwood floor refinishing, hardwood floor installation, tile installation, but that's a personal choice, not a requirement. There will be noise and dust, especially during removal and subfloor preparation. Tools, saws, and sanding equipment are all part of the process of doing the job correctly. We'll let you know ahead of time when the loudest phases will occur, so there are no surprises. Safety is something we take very seriously during installation. We keep our work zones clearly defined, secure tools and materials, and at the end of each day, remove sharp debris and fasteners. We maintain clean walk paths when possible. We do ask that pets be secured away from work areas and children avoid active installation zones. Each night, our team leaves the space safe and orderly as possible before heading out. When it comes to flooring quality and value, everything really comes down to 3 key factors: the quality of the product, the quality of the installation, and how transparent the pricing is. Let's break that down. For luxury vinyl, key factors would include wear layers. This is the clear top layer that protects your floor from dents, scratches, and from daily wear. The thicker the wear layer, the longer it's going to last, especially in high traffic areas and with kids and pets. Core thickness. A thicker core adds stability, provides impact resistance, and hides subfloor imperfections. Manufacturer quality. Reputable manufacturers use better materials, have tighter tolerances, and more consistent quality control during manufacturing. For hardwood flooring, the durability depends on the type and the species of the wood. Some woods are naturally harder and more resistant to dents. Plank construction, like solid versus engineered, how many layers of poly are used. A high quality factory finish protects better than low grade coatings done in the home. For carpet, performance is driven by density, how tightly the fibers are packed. Denser carpets hold up longer. Fiber types like nylon, wool, polyester all wear differently. The pile, the loop, cut, pattern, styles all affect durability and appearance. Our pricing guide explains these factors in more detail. When you work with us, you call us directly. No corporate maze, no call center, just real people. We use first quality flooring from trusted manufacturers. We include all the installation components down to subfloor preparation. Our crews are professional, experienced, and consistent. At Floor Concepts, your investment is protected by 3 guarantees, all in writing. First, our zero regrets guarantee. If you don't love your floors in the first 60 days, we'll replace your materials at no cost. You only cover the labor. That's our strongest guarantee. On top of all of that, all of our manufacturers offer strong product warranties. But it's important to note that improper installation will void the warranty for many manufacturers, which is exactly why we take the time to do things right the first time. As you live on the floor over time, and if you find any defects or problems with the floor, just give us a call and we'll take care of it. Now that you understand how the flooring cost works, what the installation process looks like, how to evaluate quality, and how you are protected, the next step is simple. Go ahead and give us a call and schedule a free in-home consultation. We'll measure your space, bring samples, answer your questions, and provide you a clear, detailed quote. There's no pressure, just honest information to help you make the best decision for your home. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We look forward to working with you soon.